And since we're talking about hustle and struggle, so in your entire career, what was that one turning point or maybe one product that you thought, okay, now we are ready to move ahead or bring something new to the business?
So, if you see in our business, especially how we actually progressed is because of a new line of a product. For example, we started with the hand dryers, air curtain I mentioned, but somehow there was a inclination that these products would have a lesser market in terms of Indian manufacturers, and that's how it happened. Because the moment Chinese influx started in India, we were selling a hand dryer 20 years back at about 5,000 rupees, and when Chinese hand dryers started coming in, they are still selling at about 2,000 rupees. That time about 1,300, 1,400 rupees. So it just changed the market dynamics totally. And everyone who is actually doing something, or say new hotel, 3-star to 5-star hotel, they all started going to China, get a containers of load filled with many products and come to India. And somehow, because we started shifting from hygiene products to automation product to safety and security, CCTV, fire access as well. And then, of course, we shifted to noise barriers and at last platform screen doors. So I would say that journey of this had helped us to progress, and also a product like noise barrier and platform screen doors has a huge potential in India. And I think right now our main aim is a platform screen door, which is totally indigenously manufactured by us, and all credit goes to Uresh because he came into this when we had already got an order,
Okay.
and he put all the efforts, all his knowledge, and created that important technology for us. Now, I would share that a Chinese company got an order in India, is now not buying from China, but buying it from company like us, and that all credit goes to Urush. So this is what has
Wow.
actually changed the dynamics. One more thing, this platform screen doors in 2016, we first time bidded in, we got, I mean, tender was there in Hubli Dharwad, 608 doors totally almost. Out of that, there were two bidders, one of us, one a Chinese. And we, even those days, beaten a Chinese company by 50%. Our cost was about 16, 17 crore, and they were charging about 23 crores. So you can see the difference that we not only have a technology, but a quality and product. Today it is almost about 8 years and our products are still working there. So this is a landmark, and this milestone itself, I think, is going to take our company to new heights.